How to upload profile picture on Facebook in full without cropping it. Now, first thing to be reminded of is if you are going to change or upload your profile picture using the Facebook app, it's gonna corrupt it. So instead, you'll have to use from your mobile phone browser or from your PC or laptop's browser. So just pull up or access your preferred web browser and then just simply go to facebook.com. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is just go to your profile, and then from your profile, hover your mouse on your current profile picture, and then go to choose profile picture. Now, let's just go ahead and try to change our profile picture. All right, here. So this circle right here is actually not a crop from using um, a browser from your phone or maybe from your PC. Now, this is only for vision or views if you just have to take a look of that profile picture. But once you click that photo, it's going to be in full. So all you have to do from here is just go ahead and click save, and it's going to be showing circle when you will not click on that specific photo. But if you click on that, it's going to be in full. It's not going to be cropped. So that's it. That's how you upload or change your profile picture on Facebook, but in full.